The third baseman, number 22.
This is the semifinal game in the Sarasota Classic. Manatee against Sarasota. We won our first game 7-3 against Miami Killian. We won our second game 2-0 yesterday against Fort Lauderdale Cardinal Gimmicks. Come on, James. Two-one pitch. It's 2 down. One-two pitch. There you go. Full count. All right, Canes, we're hitting the ball here. There you go. One pitch, one out. Good job. Atta boy, there's one. Woo! All right, nice job. There's two. Nice job. Strike one. Oh. 2-1 pitch. 3-1. Atta boy, that's three. Nice job, guys. Top of the second.
Jamie. Jamie.
Atta boy, there's our first hit. Nice job, Brent. Oh, got him at first. Double play. There's a hit. Nice job. Double play. Beauty. Nice job, guys. All right, there's three. Good job. Just got him. One away. All right, 2 down. 2-2 pitch. Ooh, 2-2. Three, that's it. 3 down. Bottom of the 3rd. Beautiful, nice job. Good job, Chris. All right, nice job, Mike. Strike 1. Ball 1. Atta boy. Ball, strike 2. Okay, nice job. 2 down. Nice pitch, Mike.
Pass him on.
Atta boy. Two. Oh, man.
Right here, Mike. Get him right here.
Ball 4. It's in there. Run comes in on a double. All right, nice job, guys. There's 3. Good job. Top of the 4th. We're down 1-0. Put it in there, Jamer. That's 3. 1 away. Full count. Atta boy. One out and 1 out. Got him going to first, 2 down. All right, 2-0 pitch. All right, nice hit. 3 down. Nice job, Mike. Oh, man.
All right, guys, let's call it. Come on now.
Okay, Patrick.
Get it, Pat.
Atta boy, good job. 1 down.
I know, like I come up this and then I come up and shoot you.
All right. Back to the track, 2 down. strike one. Fast ball, he gets one. 3-1 pitch.
Get it.
Yeah, boy, good job. There's 3 down. Good work, guys.
Runs in.
Top of the 5th, we're down 1-0. Got a boy. Got away. All right, lead off man on. Oh, 2 pitch.
Hey, baby, you go right here now.
Okay, nice eye. Come on, Jeffrey.
2-2 pitch. Yeah!
Whoa, nice.
Got him at second. Safe at first. Okay, 1 on, 1 out. All right, safe at second. Runner on second, 1 away.
Come on, Wes. Get going. There you go, get going.
That's all right.
Pickoff attempt, he's safe at second.
Come on, Lance. The hits are running.
All right, just 2 out. All right, throw to home. He's safe at home. The runner goes to second. He's going into third base. All right. Way to hustle, Jeff. Beautiful job. Ties it up, 1-1. A man on third, 2 down. Atta boy.
Okay, Jay.
Atta boy. 2-1 pitch.
Come on, Joey, call it.
Strike 2.
Oh,
No
okay.
foul ball.
Have you right here, Joey.
Atta boy.
Yes.
3-2 pitch. All right, that's 3. Good job, Canes. Tie it up. Top of the 5th. All right. Yeah.
Get it. Get it.
Atta boy. One down. Good job. Woo!
Go Buys.
Get there.
Oh! Nice try, Jeff! Foul ball. A little slap single. One out, one out.
There's one for you, Chris. Hey!
Nice job, guys. 2 down. Good job. All right, first and third, 2 out. Ball in the outfield, run comes in. 2 outs, runner on second.
Somebody better catch it.
That's 3. Top of the 6th, we're down 2-1. Atta boy. Atta boy.
Jamie, run!
Got him. 1 down. Well hit ball, nice hit.
Nice hit, Chris.
2 down. Safe. All right, nice job. Two down, man, on first.
Come on, Patrick. Okay, yeah, that's when there was dirt on the shirt. What out? Oh. 13-3 right here, baby.
1-1 pitch. All right, safe at second. Nice job. Oh, son of a gun. Catch at the track, that's 3 down.
It's a little bit closer to that fence every time.
Let's go, Ben. Come on.
All right, now heads up, defense.
Bottom of the 6th. Strike 2. throw. Good stop, James. Beautiful job. Foul ball.
I was gonna see if he had something.
Foul ball. Thank you. Thank you. Atta boy, nice job. One down. All right, safe first, safe at second.
It's all right. Let's go, Mike.
Base hit. Run comes in. 3-1. Atta boy, strike one. One out, second and third.
I was on that team.
All right, 2 down. Atta boy, Trey.
That's it.
All right, it's 4. This is loaded, 2 out. Nice job, he got him. Nice job, Lance. Okay, it's top of the 7th. Down 3-1.
Lance!
All right, there's 3. That's all right, 4 balls in a row. Lead off man on. Okay, change the pitchers here. Okay, we got none out, man on first. One-two pitch. Come on, Jeff. We're gonna miss. One away.
Yeah, I think so.
2-1 pitch. 3-1 pitch. Full count.
Yes!
All right, safe at first. Out at second. All right, 3 balls. 4 in a row. We got 2 outs, 2 on. Here, put it in the hole.
Get a passer. Get a passer. Yes!
Save! All right. Bases loaded. Third, second, first.
Come on, Jamie!
2 down. Come on, Jamer.
Come on, Jamie!
Atta boy. Ball 1. Right through the ball. Atta boy. Good ball. All right, strike. Base Bases loaded, 2 out.
Come on, Jamie!
Come on, Jamie.
2-1 pitch. All right, ball 3. 3-1 pitch. Ball up the middle. All right, that's 3. That's the game. 3-1 Sarasota.